Imagine seeing fuel literally dripping from your tailpipe or your engine just refusing to start no matter how much you crank it. That is the nightmare scenario of code P009C. This code tells us that the fuel pressure relief control circuit has low voltage, meaning your car's brain, the PCM, has lost control over how much fuel pressure is being delivered to the engine. It is part of a family of codes like P009B or P009D, but this one specifically points to a low voltage condition. This is serious because if the pressure is too high, you run rich and waste fuel. If it is too low, the engine starves and stalls. The severity is moderate to high depending on whether the valve is stuck open or closed. So how do we tackle this? First, do yourself a favor and search for Technical Service Bulletins for your specific year and model. Sometimes this is a known software glitch that the dealer can fix. If that is a dead end, we need to inspect the hardware. Locate your fuel pump, the pressure regulator, and the relief valve. You are looking for the obvious stuff first, like wires that have been rubbed through, burnt against the exhaust, or chewed on by rodents. A damaged wire grounding out causes that low voltage reading. If the wires look pristine, you are going to need a fuel pressure gauge to see if the physical pressure matches what the book says. If the pressure is wildly off, you might have a bad pump or a stuck relief valve. For the electrical side, grab your digital multimeter. You need to check for power and ground at the relief valve connector. If you're not getting voltage there, trace it back. Remember, when checking continuity on wires, always disconnect the battery to avoid frying your multimeter. You're looking for 0 ohms of resistance on the wires. If you find high resistance or a break, fixing that wire is a lot cheaper than replacing a fuel pump or PCM. Take it step by step, rule out the wiring first, and you'll find the gremlin hiding in that circuit.